So now that we've got the background cut out, we want, before we do anything else, and you need to remember this, and it's on the checklist, you're going to have to go up here to select and none. If you don't do that, you're going to find things are not going to work out very well for you. Okay, so don't forget to do that. And so let's move on now. What we need to do now is to turn this picture to black and white. So you're going to go up here to Image, Mode, Grayscale. And notice it turns it to black and white. And then we're going to go back to Image, Mode, RGB, because if we don't do that, then when you go to put color into it, it's not going to work, because if it's in a grayscale setting, it won't accept color. So it still stays black and white, but we're ready to move now. So the next thing you're going to do is you might want to go over here to brightness and contrast, and we're going to increase the contrast here. Oops, here it is. We want to increase the contrast a little bit. Now, what contrast does is it makes the brights brighter and the darks darker. I don't know if you want to mess with the brightness. I don't think that's going to help you too much. But I'll hit reset. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of, you can see now, look how he's getting a little bit whiter. And this is too much here. So you want to keep some of the gray in there, okay? You want to keep some of the color. So I'm just increasing it a little bit. I'm up to like 36. And I'm not saying 36 is the number. It depends on your picture. And I'm going to click OK. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go back to colors, and you're going to go down here to posterize. Now, this is an interesting little part right here. Posterize sets the number of colors that you can see, and in this case, the number of grays and blacks and whites. So right now we've got 3 colors. Let me just go down to 2. You can see 2 is strictly black and white. There are 2 colors that you see, black and white. You hit 3, now it's black and white and gray. And then you've got 4 different shades of gray. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're getting into just too many colors here. I would say, oops, let me go down here. I would say try to get it to about 5 or 6 at the most, and then click OK. And we're ready for the next step.